Hey y'all, Megan Slate, Norwex independent consultant, and I'm just going to show you on my phone a little glow germ demo. So here's my glow germ, and I've put it on the surface, and you're going to just notice under the black light that it glows. Okay, so I'm going to take a wipe, a typical wipe, and I'm just going to wipe down the phone like I normally would if I was cleaning my phone. Okay, and you're just going to notice what that's doing to the surface of the phone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an Enviro Cloth. This is a wet Enviro Cloth. It's wet with water alone, and I'm just going to wipe down the surface. Okay, wipe it down, and I am going to get in this speaker area real good. Make sure I wiped it real nicely. Okay, and now we're going to show you how that did. Awesome. So you're just wiping down with your Enviro Cloth, again, wet with water. Again, make sure you get in that speaker area really good. So now I'm going to take my optic scarf, and this is dry, and I'm just going to use this to polish my phone beautifully. And you are just going to notice how great that looks with my Norwex. Love it. Happy cleaning, y'all.